Hey guys, David here, and today we're going to react to Thomas and the Breakdown Train Sprite animation by Yin Animation. I've been waiting for this for so long. No, that doesn't make sense because we got here we were waiting for 1 week anyway. But yeah, let's react to it. Yin Animation. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Whoa. Oh my god. Yo. Oh my god. Start. There's Thomas.
Every day, the Fat Controller came to the station to catch his train. Follow, he always said to Thomas. Remember, don't be impatient, Thomas. You can never be.
Bro, I love how they're just mixing every single word from.
To make a really useful engine. Don't let the symmetry eat you.
See, I don't remember. I'm going behind you again.
Thomas worked very hard pushing and pulling them into place.
I've seen the trailer, but I want to see.
There was also a small coach and two strange things his driver called trains. That's the breakdown train, he told Thomas. The trains are for lifting heavy things like engines and coaches and trucks. One day, Thomas was in the yard. Suddenly, he heard an engine whistling. Help! Help! A good thing came rushing.
It wouldn't break
much
block.
too fast.
It's you. That's you. The black smoke. That's you. You're a wooden brick
The
block.
engine was James, and he was frightened. His brake blocks were on fire. They're pushing me, he panted. On, laughed the trucks.
Wow.
Still whistling, help, help. Poor James disappeared. I'd like to teach those trucks a lesson, said Thomas the Tank Engine.
Let's see. Another thing, I like how instead of just having the crash off screen and then just cutting it to fetch the breakdown train quickly, he just does. Oh, back! Stop! No, go back. Help! They slowed it down. Thomas. Really? Okay. Sorry, I don't like I said, I like how they're just taking the narration from other episodes to make them say these stuff.
Brake! Use your brake!
Brakes! Use your brakes! Brake! Use your brakes!
Your brake. I can't stop. My brakes are all out. They're made of wood. I'm going to couple up behind you, James, said Thomas. I'm going to try to slow you down.
I like how they're mixing up the senses.
Thomas, hurry!
Hurry, Thomas, hurry.
Couple me up, hurry! I need to slow James down.
Hurry. Why
Oh,
is it
thanks.
easy up there?
Go steady.
Why like this? This should be the
As
inferior.
fast as we can.
This should
Another
be the
clear
Thomas
mile and
Thomas
we'll
shit.
do it.
Thomas
The bad right snapper.
Oh!
Hurry,
Thomas
hurry,
keeps
hurry.
damage.
At last, we got him.
We
Yo,
got him. Thomas is basically Horror!
at last, we got him. Yo,
Horror!
horror.
Oh, the fucking
Yay. Help.
Oh!
Horror.
Right.
Oh. Yay. Help.
Well, that is so cool. I need to see that again.
Yay. Help.
I love this. Okay, I like that. The music
Soon came the alarm. James is off the line. The breakdown train, quickly. Thomas was coupled on and off they went. Thomas worked his hardest. Hurry, hurry, hurry. he
Wait, hold
puffed.
on. The things that we do.
Thomas worked his hardest. Hurry, 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 he puffed. He wasn't pretending to be like Gordon. He really meant it. Bother those trucks and their tricks. I hope poor James isn't hurt.
Oh, James passed away.
James's driver and fireman were
He
feeling
passed
him
away.
all over to see if he
He
was
passed
hurt.
away, guys.
Wake up, James. Wake up, James. Never mind, James, they said. It was.
Run that.
James's driver and fireman were feeling him all over
Dead right
to
now.
see if he was
Wake up,
hurt.
James.
Wake up, James. Wake up, James. Never mind, James, they said. It wasn't your fault. It was those wooden brakes they gave you. We always said they were no good. Thomas pushed the breakdown train alongside. Then he pulled the unhurt trucks out of the way. Oh dear, they groaned. Serve you right, puffed Thomas.
No, this already in
Harder work, hopping backwards and forwards all around. This will teach you a lesson, he told the truck.
Look how long Thomas in the truck.
Yes, it will, yes, it will.
Look at how long it took for this
They
masterpiece.
left the broken trucks, then with two cranes they put James back on the rails.
Oh, I see. He's wiggling.
He tried to move, but he couldn't, so Thomas helped him back to the shed.
The only question is, why did it turn sunset as soon as they put James back onto the track? And of course the video is gonna keep doing that. Oh my god. Let me just watch this. Oh, and some pieces
He
of
tried to move, but he couldn't, so Thomas helped him back to the shed.
Oh my god.
He tried tried to move, but he couldn't, so Thomas helped him back to the shed.
Dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. This video is long enough already. Why is it?
He tried to move, but he couldn't, so Thomas helped him back to the shed.
Oh wait, this is the... Oh my god. This is the song that was in the trailer. This is in the trailer.
The Fat Controller was waiting anxiously for them. Well, Thomas, I've heard all about it, and I'm very pleased with you. You're a really useful engine. James shall have some proper brakes and a new coat of paint, and you shall have a branch line all to yourself. Oh, thank you, sir, said Thomas. Now Thomas was as happy as can be. He had a branch line and two coaches called Annie and Clara. He puffed proudly backwards and forwards with them all day. He is never lonely.
Oh my god.
Edward and Henry stop quite often and tell him the news.
The eyes.
Gordon is always in a hurry, but never forgets to say coop coop. And Thomas always whistles peep peep in return.
Amazing. Oh wow, but that was so peak. Oh my god, that was so peak. Oh my god. Well, the only reason I decided to make a reaction video of it instead of just watching it is because I've got 101 subscribers. This is a 101. Oh, 102 now. But this is 102 subscriber special. Thank you for 102 subscribers. And subscribe to Yin Animation and keep subscribing to me as well. Thank you and bye-bye.